You're outside enjoying the day when you spot a crack in your driveway or patio. It's small, no big deal, right? A quick hardware trip and your problem is solved. But what if that quick patch fails, costs more, or even makes things worse? Before you grab that filler, here's why DIY concrete repair might not be the best idea. It ignores the root cause of the problem. A crack in your concrete isn't just a surface problem, it's a symptom of something bigger. Simply filling a crack without identifying why it is formed is a temporary solution at best. Cracks are mainly caused by voids under the concrete, and these voids can be caused by soil settlement, freeze-thaw cycles, or washouts caused by improper drainage. Without addressing the root cause of the problem, the crack is likely to reappear or get worse. What if you use the wrong repair material? Not all cracks are the same, and using the wrong repair material can lead to a fix that fails fast. Polyurethane foam is the best solution for lifting sunken slabs and stabilizing the soil beneath, ensuring long-term strength and preventing the crack from reopening. With polyrenewal polyurethane foam, there's no long wait. Its quick 15-minute curing time means you can get back to your life faster without worrying about a failing repair. Sealing a crack might make it look better, but it won't fix the tripping hazards or potential liability issues. Sealing a crack alone doesn't level uneven concrete, leaving dangerous height differences that can cause falls. Polyrenewal gently lifts the concrete, eliminating trip hazards at the source and ensuring a safe, stable surface for years to come. Concrete crack repair isn't just about sealing cracks. It's about restoring the safety and longevity of your home. Don't wait until minor cracks turn into major problems. Schedule a free inspection with Groundworks today.